All right, so we have turned around and now dug into the car. I have found out that, look behind me here. We have went and pulled the motor out of the car. I'll get to that here in a second. And I have went and pulled out the rear lower control arms because, well, there doesn't seem to be a bushing there. Or at least very little left in it. So turn around and got the motor out, ordered new bushings for them. The bushings that was in it was pretty in poor shape. But went ahead and got new bushings ordered for it. And the rear mount had been broke at some point. So went ahead and got in touch with Hasport. They was glad to send me a new mount. So I've got a new mount on the way for it. And I decided to turn around and buy some new rear lower control arms for it. As you can see right here. Voodoo Racing. They're great looking mount. They're great looking lower control arms. But turn around, I'll be installing those here the next day. And also, while we was turning around and pulled this motor out, found there's a missing exhaust stud. And the exhaust was cracked, beat all the pieces. The car was just slammed on the ground. So I've got a new header coming for it. And whenever I pulled everything out, I realized the rear mount, there was 2 bolts that was they just broke off and like seized into the block. So currently I'm trying to extract them. If not, maybe drill them out, time circle them. I'll figure something out here while I've got it all out and have it all going back in correctly. But I'll keep everybody updated. Let's see how this goes. Also, as you can tell, we didn't pull the front rear support off of it. It was in pretty poor shape, bent like right in the middle, like the whole lower half was just ripped off. So over here, I got a brand new rear support I'm going to install on it. New bumper cover. Then a new bumper support. We'll try and get this thing fixed up correctly at least. Wish me the best of luck. Okay, so I've been working on drilling and tapping the broke bolts out of the back of the motor. Nobody likes doing that, so luckily I got them and was able to save them. Turn around and now have bolts in them. Yeah, I made quite a mess. Couple broke drill bits. And about 3 hours probably worth of work. 3 dead batteries on the drill. And hey, I was able to save the block. Didn't have to do nothing real too extensive with it, so we're good to go. Just wait on the new mount to come and clean up this engine bay. It is in rough shape. But I'll let that be for the next video. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you next time.